The lead developer of Dogecoin said something really interesting about the possibilities of Dogecoin's partnership with China's digital currency. So let's take a look at it. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. So, someone asked the Doge devs about China's new digital currency and Dogecoin's bridge with it. This user basically said that, "Hi Dogecoin developers. China has published its own digital currency today. Will Dogecoin be able to make a bridge with it?" To this, Ross Nicol replied that, "It looks like it's not designed to support alternative currencies on their blockchain as an intentional design choice, so my initial impression is unlikely. But we need to have bandwidth to read the white paper to be more certain." Now, the important thing to focus on is where he says we need to read the white paper to be more certain. In a nutshell, it looks like the Doge and digital Yuan's bridge is definitely on the cards. We know that Ross Nicol has the brains to make it happen. He's currently working on ETH's bridge with Doge too. And this bridge could be really huge for Doge. This is because there are currently millions of people in China who are using the digital yuan. And because of this bridge, we could see them invest in Doge too because of the added similarities between the two currencies. I know that at this point, it's just conjecture. Nothing is certain, of course. So, I think this is something we're going to have to keep an eye on. Moving forward, another interesting thing from today was that despite Bitcoin outflows, institutions seem to be really optimistic on crypto. As you can witness right now, from Wall Street hedge funds to big banks, large-scale investors are jumping on board the crypto bandwagon. And I think because of this, we could certainly see 51K or 52K pouring in shortly for Bitcoin. It also says here that the number of institutional investors exposed to cryptocurrency has increased dramatically. And as I stated during any bull run, we have not seen this many institutions buy into crypto. So basically, this is truly unprecedented. We've had tons of bull runs, we had euphoric all-time highs, prices breaking out, we had everything under the sun. But this new bull run could be much bigger than others. Moving forward, another great news for the crypto market was that Visa just made a significant investment into NFT. And I think this could totally change the landscape of the entire crypto industry, particularly for NFT. I think this might even result in 100x returns on a lot of investments. So, Visa announced that they had amassed a collection of unique trade artifacts over the previous 60 years. They stated that they had gathered the first paper credit cards, the Zip-Zap machine, and as of August 23, 2021, they have officially added an NFT to their collection. They also said that they purchased CryptoPunk number 60 and paid around 49.5 Ethereum for this. Now, this is incredible because a lot of people have been saying that NFT are fraud and they'll be worthless in no time. But after this direct endorsement from Visa, we could see a lot more money come into cryptos via the sale of these NFT. If you don't know, people buy them with the help of cryptos. So I think this move is going to go a long way for cryptos like ETH and perhaps in Doge in future. Talking about ETH, let's take a look at the 4 crypto assets that are threatening its market dominance. These might be fantastic picks for diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio, which is always crucial. So, let's begin with the very first one here, which will be Binance Smart Chain. Yes, BSC is one of Ethereum's main rivals, and it has the financial support of a worldwide crypto exchange. So there is still a nice $150 upside. When you're just getting back to those all-time highs, you know it's a fantastic one to pick up. Luna is going to be another one over here, and it's going to be a really fantastic one. I believe they have a bright future, and even if you're not convinced, always adding a little bit to them may be a good option. And then there's Solana, which is up by around 80–90% in the previous 30 days. So this is a great one to pick up and put into your portfolio. I do want to remind you that this is just my personal opinion and not financial advice. So you should definitely do proper research before investing anything into crypto. That being said, let's take a look at Dogecoin's on-chain data right now. So Doge is currently trading at around 29.4 cents and is down by 8%. It also says here that we have 68% of Doge holders who are currently profiting from it. Now, as I've said before, Dogecoin is going to trade sideways for a while, and we might even see an even bigger correction. But this correction is absolutely necessary for it to break the resistance level of 33 cents and move up to 35 cents again. And I said in the previous video, once that resistance level is broken, we'll see 40 cents for Dogecoin very quickly after that. If you remember, we came close to 36 cents recently, but we were turned down. So, I'm hoping that this rejection will be reversed and give way to 35 cents again. In any case, we have to look at how Bitcoin is doing at the moment because of the incredibly high correlation between BTC and Doge prices. So, as you can see, Bitcoin saw a dip to 48.1K as well. And earlier today, just 7 hours ago, it was trading at 49.8K. The point is that cryptos are inherently volatile by nature. The worst thing you can do right now is panic selling. Before I talk more about it, let's talk a bit more about its price. So for Bitcoin, we had a high of about 51K yesterday, but we've now gone down by around 2.5%. So, as I mentioned earlier, we're going to see a lot of consolidation, and we might see ourselves sliding back down to the 47K region. So we have to keep an eye on that. There will be a lot of sideways movement going forward for Bitcoin. We'll see the fear and greed index decrease too. This is because there are people sitting on the sidelines, waiting for these Bitcoin options to expire. And then there's the Fed meeting that is scheduled for later this week. So I wouldn't get too worked up over it. A little bit of consolidation is usually a good thing, and we're witnessing the same thing with Ethereum right now. It is currently trading at around $3,180. So it looks like $3,280 has become the resistance level for it again. And this is going to be an interesting one because since we're moving sideways, it'll reveal all the diamond hands that are currently in the market right now. As I said, there's tangible data that suggests that it's better to hold your crypto at the moment. This talks about how the #1 mistake retail investors have made is panic selling. In any case, it looks like a full-fledged altcoin season is on the way. Sure, it's down to 24 again, but this happened only a couple of hours ago. Prior to this, it was hovering around 30 to 35. So I think as the year progresses, and when we're past all the news about Feds and options expiry, we can definitely see Doge head back up again. I think we could even see it touch the 40 cents level again. In any case, let me know what you think will happen in the comment section below. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.